Rahul was not poor, he was not weak, he was not unintelligent. His biggest enemy was his phone. In school, teachers often said Rahul has potential, but potential never becomes success without any discipline. Every day after school, Rahul planned to study. Instead, he opened a mobile game for just 10 minutes. 10 minutes became 3 hours, and the 3 hours became the entire evening. By 11th standard, gaming had become his addiction. He played during meals, before sleeping, after waking up, during the online classes too. His screen time reached 10 hours daily. Initially, he didn't care. His marks slowly dropped. But he always believed, I will study later. One day, his school conducted a mock NEET examination. Rahul expected average marks. Instead, he scored one of the lowest marks in class. The results shocked him, and his friends were improving where he was falling behind. For the first time, fear entered his mind. Still, he couldn't stop gaming. Every time he deleted the game, he installed it again. Every time he promised change, he failed. Soon, the confidence disappeared, the motivation disappeared, and even the self respect disappeared. He started hiding his marks from parents. At night, he felt guilty. In the morning, he repeated the same mistakes. One evening, Rahul saw his mother showing his childhood photos to the relatives. She proudly said that he wanted to become a doctor, and Rahul looked at those photos, then he looked at himself. Hours wasted, and dreams wasted, and even the time wasted. That night, he cried for the first time. The next morning, he made a decision, very difficult decision, and he gave his gaming account to his friend and permanently deleted it. The first week, he felt terrible. His hands were automatically searched for the phone. His mind kept craving the games, and he felt restless, but he survived. Instead of chasing motivation, Rahul built the habits daily, like wake up at 5 a.m., exercise, study in blocks, keep phone outside the room, and solve the practice question papers. The progress was slow, but it was real. Every week he became slightly better. His friends enjoyed the parties, but he stayed at home by studying. Sometimes he felt lonely. Sometimes he wondered if the sacrifice was worth it or not. Sometimes the old game urges returned, but discipline made him stronger than the temptation. After 2 years of consistent effort of Rahul, he appeared for the NEET examination. When the result arrived, he couldn't believe it. He had secured a government medical seat. His mother cried with happiness, and his father hugged him proudly. The same boy who once wasted entire days on gaming had become a future doctor. The main moral of the story is addiction steals number of years, but the discipline that gives that back. Thank you so much.